guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you these gorgeous braids with curls. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using this expression hair, and this is in color blue, okay? So I'm going to be using 3 packs. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it out of the pack and then cut it in half, just exactly the way I'm doing. And then I'm going to feather the ends. That way I have a nice little tail to it. Just going to take the brush and brush the hair just to make sure it's nice and manageable. And then I'm going to be parting the hair just exactly the way I'm doing. Just going to take my rat tail comb and section my hair from the back. Just going to take my shine and jam and make sure my line is really nice and clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section the hair into 2. Take some more shine and gem and apply it to the line just to make it really nice and clean or whatever. Somebody was asking me if I'm able to section and braid at the same time. So yes, the answer is yes, sis. And then I'm going to take my shine and gem, apply it to the hair. And then I'm sectioning my hair into 2. Taking the braiding hair that I already sectioned, place it on the middle, and then I'm going to be using rubber bands for this style, guys, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the rubber band and then hold the hair. Take some more shine and jam, apply it to the hair. And then I'm going to be sectioning 1 piece at a time of the braiding hair. So together, I want to have 3 equal pieces in order for me to do like a braid all the way down. I'm going to section a little bit from one side and then I'll section a little bit from the other side. That way I can have 3 equal pieces. And then I'm just going to take my hair, my natural hair, combine it with the middle section right there, okay? The hair that I sectioned from both sides. And then I'm just going to start braiding it down. Just exactly the way I'm doing. Very, very easy. Oh my gosh. This one right here is the easiest style. You can actually do this with little braids. They don't have to be this huge. I just wanted to do like a few braids, something that's going to take me less time. You know me, I'm trying to save time, money, and everything. This is actually easy for, you know, back to school, or you can actually do this on yourself if you're back to school, back to work, or whatever it is. Once you are done braiding, guys, so you're going to go all the way to where you want your curl to start from, tie and knot 4 or 5 times. That way it's really nice and secure. So I didn't want like to have like black, you know, black rubber bands, peekaboo, or if you have blue rubber bands or whatever hair color you're using, you can actually use those rubber bands. But I was trying to make this, you know, really nice and cute or whatever. I'm going to show you guys again. I'm sectioning my hair into a really nice box. Okay, they're really big boxes. I'm just going to, you know, take my shine and jam, apply it to my hair, and then I'll section the hair into 2. Take a piece of the expression hair, place it in the middle right there, take a rubber band and secure my natural hair on top of the braiding hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to section a little piece from both sides, exactly the way I'm doing. Taking the middle piece and combining it with my natural hair, and then I'm just going to braid it all the way down. Exactly the way I'm saying it. Very, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. If you have trouble gripping the roots, this is an easy way for you to achieve really nice box braids, and they just come all the way through. Why was you talking, sis? Have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to Tuma Diva. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, sis. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all your support. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, sis. So I'm gonna section a little piece from both sides of the braiding here. That way I have 3 equal pieces. And then I'll take the middle part, okay, the hair that is sectioned from both sides, and then I'm just going to hide my natural hair with it and then start braiding all the way down. And once you start braiding all the way down, just make sure you're holding the hair really nice and tight on the bottom. This is actually a very good style, you know, a protective style if you wanted to do something real quick. I'm going to take my shine and gem, apply it to my scalp, and then I'll section my hair into 2, just exactly the way I'm doing, taking my hair, my braiding hair, placing it on the middle, and then I'm going to take my rubber band and secure my hair. And then I'm going to, you know, apply some shine and gem to the remaining part of my natural hair. That way it's really nice and slick when I'm braiding it down. I'm gonna take the middle part, the hair that is sectioned from both sides, and then I'm just going to hide my natural hair with it and then start braiding all the way down. If you have a little peekaboo, because I'm using color hair, I just wanted to show you guys, you can also use color hair. And you know, I love experimenting with some color. Before summer is over, I wanted something that's gonna, you know, pop or whatever. This is such a quick style that you can just like rock and you are out the door. Okay, this took me about an hour to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to section my hair, you know, my natural hair into 2, give it a little tug. That way it's really nice and snug on the bottom. Just going to start braiding it down exactly the way I'm doing, you guys. So since I'm using color hair, I'm just going to, you know, try my best to hide my natural hair or whatever, and then I'm going to start braiding down. So exactly the way I'm doing, very, very easy. I'm actually braiding down under. That way my braids lay really nice and flat. Once I'm done braiding, I'm just gonna take my mousse and make sure everything is laid all the way down, and make sure you go all the way down, you know, all the way down to the hair that is not braided, okay? And then I'm just gonna take my Jamaican black castor oil mixed in with my coconut oil and make sure my hair is nice and moisturized, because you gotta moisturize your hair, sis. Anyway, once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer and make sure these baby hairs are nice and laid, honey, yes! And I'm using this brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now, okay? I'm just gonna take my styling strip and make sure these baby hairs are nice and laid, sis. And then I'm going to be using these curl rods that I got from Amazon. And I have about 11 braids in my hair. And then I'm going to take my curl rod and just use it, roll it, roll it. Just curl this hair up, sis. We're trying to do this COI LERAY in blue, okay? So I'm going to be using boiled water, guys. I'm going to be placing it in a bowl, but you can place it in anywhere else. Just be very, very careful, because this is really hot water. Make sure you have your towel ready. Do one side at a time, and just be very, very careful, sis. And then I'm just going to take the curl rods out. And baby, when I tell you this style came all the way through, yes, sis, I am loving this blue situation going on, and the curls, baby. Okay, Miss Tupo. Let me know if you guys are feeling this style right here. Let me know if you guys are loving the blue. You can try this in any color, but baby, I was like, we're about to finish summer with a bang. I cannot be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So I'm adding these gold accessories that I got from Amazon. And baby, it took the style all the way to boom, 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 100. I am here for the blue, honey. I am here for it. Let me know if you guys are loving it. Let me know if you guys are liking it. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing, for liking, for sharing. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe we are here today. Let's get to 300K because baby, at this point it is up from here. Okay, make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.